want to start this video by giving a quick shout out to Adrian and his team. They're the plumbers that took care of this when the house was put together in the very beginning. And they did a great job, so this plumbing lasted 10 years. But eventually, one of the parts, as you can see here, snapped. And you'd kind of expect this, it's plastic and wear and tear. So I went to Lowe's and I bought replacements. And let's see if we can get this to work. So start with this piece here. Put this on through there. And this piece on, oh, I did this backwards. See, look at that. This one first. Forget about what I just said. This one in here with the small part pointing that way, so it's like a triangle. And then we'll do the same here. We'll put this one through here like that. And it also requires this little stopper, so hopefully it won't fall off. There, and we'll keep that in place. Then all you gotta do is slide that in like that. Turn this into the correct direction so that it fits together. You can start doing that. Don't tighten all the way. And then we'll do the same with this side. Now you may need to put some putty in there in case it doesn't hold or it starts leaking, or you could use some other kind of sealant. But yeah, that's most of what you need to do. Hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.